Apify is a web scraping platform that claims to simplify data extraction from websites. But with so many options out there, is it really worth your time and money? Let's find out what makes Apify stand out or not. Apify is designed to help users extract data from websites easily, offering a cloud-based solution for web scraping. The platform features a user-friendly interface that allows you to set up scraping tasks without needing extensive coding knowledge. You can use Apify's pre-built scrapers for popular sites, or create your own using their robust API. What's interesting is the flexibility it offers. You can run your tasks on their servers or download the data directly to your machine. This versatility makes it appealing for a range of users, from marketers looking to gather competitive intelligence to researchers needing large datasets. However, while the functionality seems solid, some aspects feel a bit vague. For instance, the documentation could be clearer, especially for beginners who might find themselves lost in technical details. The pricing model also raises questions about affordability for casual users, as it can get pricey if you need to run multiple tasks frequently. Let's talk about the strengths and weaknesses of Apify. On the positive side, the platform is quite user-friendly and offers a variety of tools for both novice and advanced users. The ability to run scrapers in the cloud means you don't have to worry about your local machine's resources. On the downside, the pricing can be a significant drawback, particularly for small businesses or individual users. Furthermore, the learning curve for more complex tasks can be steep, and the lack of clear documentation might frustrate users who are new to web scraping. Additionally, while Apify has a lot of potential, it may not be the best fit for those looking for a simple, one-off scraping solution. For those who need ongoing data scraping, it could be worth considering, but others might want to explore more straightforward, cost-effective alternatives. In conclusion, Apify is a powerful web scraping platform that offers flexibility and robust features, making it suitable for serious users. However, its pricing and learning curve might deter casual users. If you need consistent data extraction and are willing to invest, it's worth a try. Otherwise, exploring simpler options might be a better fit.